Hello students, now we are studying the business studies class 12th, lesson number 2, principles of management. In these topics in English medium, we are studies there the differences between the unity of commands and unity of directions. What is this? The Henry Fayol as a orientation of the management and the F.W. Taylor are the managements of the scientific management. So we discuss how can the differences between the two managements, great management director, we discuss how they think about the order of command and unit of direction. Meaning, one subordinate should receive order from one, should be responsible only one superior. In these conditions, the one subordinate receive the order from the one officer, not to the collected officers. And only one officer can give the order and the received from the one. Superiors. One subordinate should receive order from one. यानी वन जो अधिकारी होता है, जो ऑर्डर देने वाला होगा, कमांडर इज ए वन, शुड बी रेस्पॉन्सिबल टू ओनली वन सुपीरियर. एंड सेकेंड, द यूनिट ऑफ डायरेक्शन, ईच ग्रुप ऑफ एक्टिविटीज हैविंग सेम ऑब्जेक्टिव मस्ट हैव वन हेड एंड वन प्लान. In this situation, the one officer can give an order and received with one officer. But in these situations, unity of the directions, we receive the commands from the difference. It is the quality of the unity and the grouping. It is related to one and it is related to group. Understand? Second, aim. Aim, it prevent dual subordination. Dual मतलब दोहरी. It's prevent dual subordination. It's prevent overlapping of the activities. Implication, it affect an individual employees. It affect the entire organization. It affects only one employee, which is receive the orders from an officer. It is affect the entire organization. Clear? It is the differences between the command, unity of command and unit of direction. Second, the difference, let us we discuss between Henry Fayol and the F.W. Taylor. It is a great management thinker. We can say that Henry Fayol is made the 14th principle of the management. Has a great responsibility for the Henry Fayol, and the F.W. Taylor is the scientific management researcher. Inventor, we can say the inventor of the management. We can say that is the inventor of the scientific management. The prospective means paripreksha, the top level management. In this discussed by the Henry Fayol, and the shop floor level of factory. Factory management is discussed by the Taylor. Unit of command, stanch proponent and did not feel that it is important and under functions. Foremanship of worker received the order from 8 specialists. Applicability universally. Applicable to specialized situations. Next, differences, basis of formation, personal experience and observation and the experimentation. Focus, improving overall administration, increasing productivity. Next, personality, practitioner एंड साइंटिफिक, ये प्रैक्टिशनर्स हो गए. सेवेंस एक्सप्रेशंस, जनरल थ्योरी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट्स. In this video, the differences between the unity of command and the unity of directions, and the difference F.W. Taylor and Henry Fayol. If you not understand in the English language, you can see the Hindi version of this topics clearly. And again, if you not understand, please call me. Okay, thank you.